Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. I welcome you all to another playlist on my YouTube channel. So recently I have decided to create a master course on Matlab for electrical engineering courses. This course will cover topics related to electronics, power electronics, machines, and control system, digital signal processing and other courses related to electrical engineering degrees. I hope this course will be very beneficial for electrical students. They will gain basic to advanced concepts and how we can use Matlab for different applications related to these courses. I will try to demonstrate that, and I will also try to push the demonstration projects to the maximum limit so that you can gain some advanced topic. I will try to show some research ideas from the courses that are trendy in the research arena. Stay tuned. To get more updates, you can subscribe to this channel. Also, I run a Facebook page by H. Karani Academy. You can also follow that page so that you can get updates on my recent uploads. So see you in the next video.